Hello. Today we'll be doing question number 8. In question number 8, it has been said that a pen costs rupees 11 and a notebook costs rupees 30. In that case, we need to find out the number of ways in which a person can spend exactly rupees 1000 to buy pens and notebooks. So this is the structure. So what we'll try to do is that let the number of pens bought be X and the number of notebooks bought be Y. So that implies, so total so the cost associated with buying X pens will be 11X plus the cost associated with buying Y notebooks will be 13Y, and the total spending should exactly be rupees 1000. Okay, so total spending should be rupees 1000. So basically we have a equation of the format ax plus by is equal to some constant c, and where we need to find out the integral solutions for x and y. So now what we have to do is that basically if we have any kind of such equation we need to solve, we need to find out the integral solutions for x and y. Basically we need to first ensure that a and b are co-prime. Okay, so as you can see over here 11 and 13 are co-prime. That has to be ensured. So after we have ensured that, what we'll try to do is that we have to find some random we have to find some solution for which we have to find any one integral solution for any one integral solution of this given equation that we have over here. So now if you find it out, if we do so basically 11x will be equal to 1000 minus 13y. So now if we put y equal to 1, y equal to 2, y equal to 3, we'll try to find out the values. So if we put y equal to 1, so then we have 1000 minus 13, so that will be equal to basically, so that will imply that 11x will be equal to 987. Okay, y equal to 2 will imply that 11x will be equal to 974. Okay, y equal to 3 will imply that 11x will be basically equal to 961. Y equal to 4 will give us that 11x will be equal to 948, and then y equal to 5 we can get that 11x will be equal to 935. Now one thing you have to notice that 987, is it divisible by 11? No, 9 plus 8 will be 17, 17 plus 7 24, 24 is not divisible by 7, so this is not divisible by 11. 974, so 9 plus 7 will be 16, 16 plus 4 will be 20, which is not divisible by 11 again, so this is also not taken into consideration. This is not a solution. Integral solution we are not getting. 961. So 961 will be 9 plus 6 15, 15 plus 1 16. This is also not divisible by 11. Okay. So 948. 9 plus 4 13, 13 plus 8 we have, it is 21. 21 is also not divisible by 11. 935. Now 935 is 9 plus 6 12. 12 plus 7. Okay. Sorry, I have misjudged the entire divisibility by 11 thing. So that is actually sum of the odd digits minus sum of the even digits. Okay, so 9 plus 7, so that will be 16. 16 minus 8 will be 8, not divisible by 7. Okay, so we have to make the correct assumption. 9 plus 4, 974. 9 plus 4 will be 13. 13 minus 7 will be 6. This is also not divisible by 11. 961. 961 is 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. 4 is also not divisible by 11. Okay, so 9 plus 8, 940. 9 plus 8 will be 17. 17 minus 4 will be 13, not divisible by 8. Okay, this is also gone. Now 935. 935 is 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 minus 3 is 11. So that is divisible by 11, as you can see over here. So if y is equal to 5, then x will be basically equal to, we get 85 rather, not 88, 85. Okay, so 85 and 5 is one integral solution. So if we put x over here, y over here, so we have somewhat of the format of x will be equal to 85 and 5. So this is one integral solution that we are getting. Okay, so the next thing that we need to do is that, so we have somewhat of this format 11 into 85 plus 13 into 5, and this is equal to 1000. So now what we have to do is that the next integral values will be somewhat like this. If we subtract, since we have 13 in 13 over here, so that here will be, if we subtract minus 13 from here, then the value that we'll get of x, the corresponding value of y will be given by plus 11, since we have 11 over here. So this is the structure. So basically, if we have somewhat of the format of ax and then by is equal to c, then if you have got some integral values, so this will be given by minus b, then y will be plus a. Here also, if you do plus b, then here it will be minus of a, and so on and so forth. And then we can have over here something like plus 13. If we add 13 to that integral value of x, then for integral value of y we have to subtract 11. Okay, this is the structure that we need to follow. Okay, so now we'll follow this structure over here. So let us subtract it. Okay, since we cannot subtract minus 11 from this value over here, so this is the minimum value of minimum integral value. Negative integers we are not considering, since quantity is always positive. Okay, so therefore we'll add 11 over here. So we are considering only with this portion, this structure. So now, so let me rewrite it again over here, so that, okay, so we have x, y. Okay, so first we had got 85 and then we had got 5, and now we'll keep on subtracting 13 from x, and we'll keep on adding 11 over here. So if we subtract 13 from here, so we get 72 and then 60. Okay, this is one integral value. Another integral value will be then 59, and then we have 27. Okay, next integral value will be, we have basically, again if we subtract 13, so we have 46 we have over here, and then we'll have 38. Okay, and then we'll have 33 over here, and we'll have 49 over here. Okay, then we'll have 20, and we'll have 11 so it will be 60. Again, if we have 7 over here, and then you have 71. If we do again minus 13, so that will be a negative number. That is not what we are considering. So these are the possible set of positive integral values that we are satisfied with. So how many pairs are possible? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 possible ways are there. So therefore, number of possible ways will be basically equal to 7 ways. So, and this is the answer that we are looking for. So this is how we solve this question. If you have any trouble regarding such kind of questions, then you can comment in the comment section below, and we'll try to get back to you. Thank you very much.